Kia launches Syros in India. The new model is offered only with internal combustion engines. It is only 3,995 mm long. The front design is the Syros' most striking angle. Kia has moved the vertical headlights to the sides, as it did on the Tasman, and the crossover's nose also sticks out, perhaps more than it should. The odd look continues in profile, where the plastic body cladding around the wheel arches reminds us of the Tasman's eyebrows. The sharp crease in the side window also stands out. The styling oddities continue at the rear, where lower vertical taillights are mounted on the edges of the bumper. Another set of L-shaped lights are positioned high, flanking the rear hatch glass. Silver trim is everywhere, as are two-tone wheels up to 17 inches. Thanks to its boxy shape, it has an impressive cargo capacity of 16.4 cubic feet, 465 liters. Rear legroom should be ample for a car in this class, thanks to the long wheelbase measuring 2,550 m, width 1,800 mm, height 1,665 mm.